Beautiful day in the neighborhood. What a day to be outside. It has been scorching hot. We have been in a drought. And so I thought I'd come and dip my toes in the creek here. Take out old Optimus. There's so much goodness in that one shot. Shall we use the rear steer? Incredible to see a big beast like that turn on a dime. Straight up. Let's get into position. Move you here so you can have a good look at it. Good front bumper clearance. Easy. So I got rear steer on this back dial and steering on the front, and throttle at the trigger, of course. And we have ourselves a hill. Try to keep everything in frame for you. And hold the camera. People are like, how do you control your RC one-handed? I said, with years of practice. Nice. Come on, buddy. The old mud pit. It has not rained here in weeks. Yeah, buddy. So a lot of people may not know this, but I run Optimus on a 4S LiPo. So it has ample power. Lots of voltage in this puppy to make sure those big tires can spin, and power 3 separate servos. So when I do get into heavy mud situations, it doesn't brown out on power easy. And we're starting to get a bit of bite, which is good, into the mud. Oh, here's a bog. Oof, I need an exit plan on something like this. I guess straight across to the other side. Beauty. That's what I love to see. Yeah, baby. Just such a good sight to see Optimus in the mud. Yeah. often on the show I'll put Optimus into a rescue scenario when I am using multiple vehicles, because just like in Transformers, right, Optimus gets by with some help from his friends. Oh, got myself in a situation. Yeah, buddy. Just such a nasty, nasty, dirty hole. Look at that. I love watching suspension flex like that. Good frickin' job, Optimus. Not a sputter, not a clicking differential. I'm probably opening my mouth way too soon. Oh yeah. Nasty. Oh, I know, Optimus. This way, pal. This way. We should use your rear steer to swing you around here. That's where that comes in handy. So yummy. Incredible. Like the boss Optimus is.